at morethanguitar.com, and in this lesson video, how to play a classic, the intro to Dire Straits' Money for Nothing. Go ahead and click the link below to download the tab for this song. Keep in mind I'll be referring to it throughout the lesson. Okay, we're going to start out with something that a lot of us are not familiar with on electric guitar, and that is finger picking. That's right, we're going to play this with our fingers, mostly our index finger and our thumb. I'm playing on the 3rd and the 4th string. Obviously the index finger's on the 3rd, thumb's on the 4th, and I'm just kind of pinching them together and letting them go. Getting that next note with my index finger. But you get a really cool sound because you're hitting them both together without that slight millisecond gap when you're picking. Now on the left hand, you're going to be not only using a lot of double stops with one finger, but you're also going to be sliding it around. Yeah, I know I tend to preach position playing, but in this case, it gives you a lot of the articulations that you're looking for. So, let's start at the beginning. Going to be playing the 4th string on the 5th fret, 3rd string on the 7th fret, just like it says in the tab. Now, in this case, you are playing pretty strict position. Your first finger stays on the 5th fret, and you're going to play that 6th fret with your middle finger on the 2nd string. Slide down. Play open. And now a power chord. So you can play that down on the 1st fret and slide it up. Practice that slow a couple of times. Going on. Again, I'm going to use my pinky for the 8th fret to keep everything else in place. And I'm going to use a hammer-on with my ring finger. I mean, you could slide it. Hammer-on just sounds more like it to me. Now the rest of it's pretty much the same thing with some slight changes. Once you've got this sliding around figure down, you've pretty much got the rest of the song, but I'm going to walk you through it anyway. So we're going to have a rest, 1. I always played that open, but it does sound like a scratch. And then you're going to do that slide both up and down. You're going to play a full power chord this time. So, slide up and slide back down. Play those 2 strings open. Now I'm going to practice a song with the drum machine on GarageBand. I want to start off pretty slow because I just learned it myself. Okay, I made a mistake, but I'm going to speed it up a little bit and try it again. Usually if you make too many mistakes, you'll want to go back and redo it in that tempo, but just for example's sake, check the links below for other songs that you might like to learn, and there's this big gray area down below that where you can type in any questions or comments. If you didn't understand something, it's probably my fault. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play the Introduction to Money for Nothing by Dire Straits. Thank you for watching.